Welcome to Sandra Style Spaces. I am Sandra, an interior stylist who helps beginner decorators turn empty rooms into inspiring rooms that they love to live in. I will help you recreate each and every room. As a certified prompt design professional, I also show you how to use AI to visualize your designs, improve your room layout, create a practical shopping plan, and action plan. Stay tuned for the next episode. If you ever find something that you really like, but at the particular time you can't afford to buy it, and you want it for your personal use, not to duplicate someone else's product or resell it, but just for your own personal use, what you need to do is take a screenshot of that image. You're going to take a screenshot of that image, and once you do that, you're going to upload it into ChatGPT. Okay, and then you're going to ask ChatGPT, um, can you give me a material list so that I can recreate something similar to this design? Okay, and let's give it a. Anytime you use ChatGPT, I find that when you assign it a role, it helps out much better. Act as an interior stylist. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's change this a little bit. Okay, and then I will tell it to please list where I can purchase these materials at a reasonable price. Okay, and let's see what we get. And right now they are thinking. Okay, so I'll break down the wall into simple parts. The price is realistically DIY version using materials you can actually buy. It also flags the safest way to mount it because the long tassels will have some weight. And see, that's probably something we didn't even think about. The fact that, this does have a lot of weight on it. It's a very beautiful design. But at the same time, you have to figure out what materials you're going to use. This looks like this might be wood. Okay. So that gives a big difference to how heavy that should be. So they say that they use MDF, one sheet of MDF, and they gave you the size as well as the purchase price. And it's a natural cotton macrame, one roll, and you can get that from Amazon. 4-inch foam balls that you're going to cover. You can get that also from Amazon. And 3-inch foam balls, which they say you can get from Michaels. Okay. The wooden dowels is going to come from Home Depot. Um, and I don't know where are the wooden dowels, created. Huh. That's very interesting. I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't even know, guys. Um, so what I'm gonna do next? So it says the estimated cost material approximately $93 to $130. Wow, I think that is very, very expensive. So what I'm gonna do is ask chat. Okay, that is way too expensive for my budget. Because we all know the purpose of redoing something yourself is to keep it in budget. And for that price, depending upon how much it costs, I would rather buy it if I'm going to have to spend that kind of money. Okay, I would like to make this project with, let's say, lighter weight material than what was given before, okay? Instead of MDF, let's try infused MUL multi-layer cardboard. Next time, guys, I'm gonna speak this thing because it takes too long. My keys double stick, so it really messes me up, and then I get to spelling things wrong and all that good stuff. Anyway, let's continue. Let's try infused multi-layer cardboard and lightweight. Let's try yarn, if that is possible. And let's see what we get. Okay. Yes, this can be reached more cheaply with layered cardboard, lightweight yarn, and foam forms. I'll simplify this until the $25 to $35 for a pair. That sounds more reasonable, okay? Because it gave me exactly what they use, and that's a lot of expensive materials. So, corrugated shipping boxes, okay, ivory, medium, lightweight acrylic yarn, black acrylic paint, laminate cardboard layers, and hold the round foams together. Dollar Tree, Walmart. Now, this is something we can definitely use. The best yarn to use is the medium weight. Large skins usually provide several hundred yards. Okay. And it goes on to give us more information. An invisible cardboard backbone. Okay, trace the circle. So what it's doing here is actually giving us the instructions as well and telling us how to strengthen the cardboard. Now, anytime you see this like this, it's already highlighted, so it'll actually go to the actual website, which is really cool. Don't want to sign in, okay? And it's telling you this is the yarn that you can use. This is like a mainstay yarn. You see that? And you can choose whatever colors you want to use. Of course, they used black. And now let's go back into if they gave us any other links to click. Let's see. Seems like it's just Walmart so far. But you can tell it to give you clickable links if you like. And you can also, like for the first one that we did, as you can see, when it did give us everything, it did give us the links that you can click on and it'll go directly to what you're looking for. Okay. And that's just for the hangers and things of that nature. So, if you guys liked what you saw, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like for me to create this entire DIY, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next video.